Rhenus is a global service provider with a rich history that spans a century. And here in North America, the reputation continues to grow. Headquartered in Charlotte, North Carolina, the company operates plants that are strategically located near customer operations and provides value-added solutions for some of the most well-known brands in the market.
In the U.S., Rhenus Automotive does a variety of things, from subassembly operations for the Bowling Green GM Corvette to full-scale assembly of the Mack truck in Salem, Virginia. Rhenus is part of a global operation, even though our footprint in the U.S. just began about 5 or 6 years ago. But we can pull from the engineering knowledge, the customer intimacy that's been going on in Europe and Asia for over 100+ years now.
When it comes to providing complex solutions, Rhenus has the expertise to work with customers to design, test, and implement custom solutions for assembly, production, logistics, and battery lifecycle needs. And our solutions seamlessly connect with your processes.
The big thing is that we provide a superior quality product to our customers. We are very customer focused, we're very customer driven. We work as partners with our customers in engineering, in production, in finance.
Our clients got an idea what they want, so they give us the idea and then we take best practices in the industry. We've got people from all over the world working on it and we do fantastic work for all our clients.
At Rhenus, continuous improvement is in our DNA, and we have the tools to deliver what customers demand.
Our customer satisfaction is directly linked to our productivity. We have an agreement for a certain production volume with our customers, so our customers depend on us delivering not only the right quantity, but also every product in the right quality.
Error-proofing technology and ensuring quality boils down to giving the operator a process that can't be done wrong.
Rhenus uses a proprietary system that we call PTS.
We use that system to lay out the steps that the operator must follow, and they follow those steps, or you cannot process it to the next step.
We have the certifications, we have the technology, we have the people, and we make it happen. We're small, but we're mighty.
With a strong, experienced team and the ability to set up operations where customers are located, Rhenus is focused on growth and doing what we do best, automotive. But that goes beyond the traditional definition.
When you talk about growing the footprint in the U.S. and you use the word automotive, people think just cars and trucks. Automotive really is anything where a person is mobilized. So we're going to be doing things like getting into motorcycle subassemblies or ski-doos or snowmobiles. Automotive to us is more than just cars and trucks. It's really anything that moves people.
I would say that the future for Rhenus Automotive North America, the sky's the limit. We are a young company, but we're hungry and we're driven, and we want to see more growth in North America.
More than 100 years of customer service excellence in logistics and value-added assembly. With the latest technologies, Rhenus is more than just a supplier. We become a partner in your success.